This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Vicky Peters CRB, CRS, GRI. Immediate possession, low maintenance 3-bedroom 2-bath, split floor plan 1-level home. Brand new flooring and kitchen, great room, and master bedroom. All kitchen appliances included plus washer/dryer too. If you love nature, you're gonna love the huge deck overlooking the wooded ravine and creek. Roof and HVAC replaced in 2014, stainless steel kitchen appliances 2016. For more information, review the details below.